In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring invoice in FreshBooks. If you invoice the same client on a regular schedule, setting up a recurring invoice can save a lot of time and help you stay organized. Instead of creating the same invoice over and over again, FreshBooks can handle it for you automatically. Let's walk through the process from start to finish in a simple and practical way. First, sign into your FreshBooks account. Make sure you're logged into the correct business profile so the invoices you create are tied to the right account. Once you're inside FreshBooks, open the Invoices section from the main navigation menu. This is where you'll manage existing invoices and create new ones. Next, click New Invoice to begin building the invoice that you want to turn into a recurring one. This opens the invoice editor, where you'll enter all the billing details. Now select the client you want to bill on a recurring basis. Be sure you choose the correct client record, since the recurring schedule will be linked to that contact and used again automatically in the future. After that, add the invoice items. Enter the products or services you want to include, along with the correct quantities, rates, and any descriptions that will help make the invoice clear and professional. Before making the invoice recurring, take a moment to review the invoice details carefully. Check the total amount, the issue date, and the payment terms. This is important because these details help define how the recurring invoice will function and what your client will see each time it's sent. When everything looks right, click Make Recurring on the invoice screen. This converts your standard invoice into a recurring billing template. Next, set the billing frequency. Choose how often the invoice should go out, whether that's weekly, monthly, annually, or another available option. Pick the schedule that matches your agreement with the client, then select the start date. This tells FreshBooks when the recurring cycle should begin, so make sure it aligns with the first billing period you want to use. After that, configure any additional settings available. Depending on your setup, you may be able to add an end date, limit the number of times the invoice is sent, or enable automatic payments. These options can give you more control and reduce manual follow-up later. Once you've finished those settings, click Save to create the recurring invoice schedule. Finally, review the recurring template one more time to confirm everything is correct, including the client, items, timing, and payment setup. A quick final check can help prevent billing mistakes. Thanks for watching.